Welcome to Known Unknown of Science. Let's see what is Sun. So, our first question is when Sun was formed? Sun was formed 4.5 billion years ago. It's about 109 times that of Earth. Amazingly, its mass is about 330,000 times that of Earth. So Sun is like a huge engine that runs on hydrogen and gives out light and heat as energy, and its byproduct is helium. The Sun does burn about 600 million tons of fuel per second. Yes, per second. But only 75% of hydrogen is left on the Sun now, and it's enough for 5 billion years. The first place where hydrogen burns is called core. The second layer is radiative zone. The third is convective zone. Sun's distance from Earth is 147.77 million kilometers. What will happen when the Sun will run out of fuel? A sad truth is, life will come to an end as the Sun will grow in its size to engulf Mercury and Venus and even our Earth. And at last, for more educational videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.